Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, February 18, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, February 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 18, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, February 18, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Ultra Lotto 658 is 136.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for February 18, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, February 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.